Welcome to 5803 Harvest Springs Drive in southern Greensboro, North Carolina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on a little over an acre. We have got a huge front yard, a huge fenced backyard, and new luxury vinyl plank flooring inside, and lots of space. Let's go inside and take a look. So we've come in the front door. And once you come in the front door, the door immediately to your right is the door to the garage, and then to the left we have a coat closet. And we come into this big, beautiful, open family room with a vaulted ceiling. We've got a gas log fireplace right here in the corner. And lots of windows. We've got the ceiling fan with a light up there. I'll give you another view. We got a master bedroom right over there. We'll get to that in just a second. And then here's a door that leads out to the back deck. And then here's the kitchen. We've got granite countertops, white cabinets, an electric smooth top stove and oven, microwave, dishwasher, plenty of countertop space and cabinet space. Nice little pass-through window that looks into the den. And here is your breakfast and or dining area. It looks out over the deck, which is absolutely huge, which we'll take a look at in just a few minutes. And then you also have the breakfast bar as part of the kitchen. And then in here we have a den. We've got a door that leads out onto that huge deck. Lots of space, terrific natural light in this room. We've got a ceiling fan with a light. And then we'll give you another view over here. And the new luxury vinyl plank flows into this room as well. So now we will go back across the house and check out the master. And so we're passing back through the great room, by the front door into the master. It's a really good sized master. The vaulted ceiling is in here as well. We've got carpet in here. Nice big bright window looking out over the huge backyard. Got a ceiling fan with a light, closet right there in the corner, and then we have the master bath. Got luxury vinyl plank floors in here. Got a linen closet, a double bowl vanity, closet right there, and then you have your tub shower combo right there. Coming from the master bedroom, we'll come back across the great room to the secondary bedrooms. Right in here is the laundry room. We've got a linen closet there. We've got a hall bathroom right here. Single bowl vanity, tub shower combo with a transom window above. And then here is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 and 3 are on the front of the house. They get terrific afternoon sun. And we've got closet right there, overhead light. And then here is bedroom number 3. It's got a big double window on the front of the house, plenty of space, and your closet is right there. We have now come out onto the deck, and this deck is absolutely huge. This is going to be a fantastic place for you to entertain. There is so much room out here for seating, tables, chairs, grills, smokers, whatever you have, whatever you need. And then it overlooks this huge, completely fenced in backyard. We've got a shed back there in the corner, which we'll take a little closer look at in just a second. I'm now standing down in the backyard and showing you this carport. And it is staying. And we have got a storage shed right there. And then the property line goes to just beyond the fence to that line of trees, but there is an easement along there for a driveway for a house that is kind of back in there. So I wanted you to know about that. But yeah, this is a fabulous, huge backyard. And then here's a final look at the back of the house. Again, we are at 5803 Harvest Springs Drive in South Greensboro, North Carolina.